Hey guys, it's Kerry. Lots of interesting sea animals today. Spiny lobster. Mating only takes place shortly after the female has molted and her exoskeleton is still soft. The female releases a sex pheromone which causes the males to become less aggressive and to begin courtship, which involves a dance with their claws closed. The male inserts sperm packets into the female's seminal receptacle using his first pleopods. Clown triggerfish. The head is large and represents approximately 1/3 of the body length. Queen triggerfish is one of the largest and most aggressive of the triggerfish. The queen triggerfish can change colour to match its surroundings or if subjected to stress. Octopus. The soft body can radically alter its shape, enabling octopuses to squeeze through small gaps. They trail their 8 appendages behind them as they swim. The giant Pacific octopus is the largest known octopus species. Octopuses have 3 hearts, a systemic heart that circulates blood around the body, and 2 branchial hearts that pump it through each of the 2 gills. The systemic heart is inactive when the animal is swimming, and so if it tires quickly, it will start to crawl. The siphon is used both for respiration and for locomotion by expelling a jet of water. They have complex nervous systems and excellent sight, and are among the most intelligent and behaviourally diverse of all invertebrates. Hermit crab. There are cases when seashells are not available and hermit crabs will use alternatives such as tin cans and custom-made debris. Sally lightfoot crab. It feeds on algae, plant matter and dead animals. It is used as bait by fishermen. Blue crab. Crabs walk and swim sideways. Please subscribe and turn on notifications so you're the first to know when I upload a new video. Starfish or sea star are amazing. They can regenerate missing parts of their body. They have no brain or blood. Instead, seawater circulates through their body with the help of a sieve plate. The mouth is on the underside of the body and the anus is on the top of the body. Marbled stingray. Stingrays do not have bones. Their skeletons are made of cartilage. They are commonly found in tropical and subtropical coastal ocean waters. Hownose ray. Most stingrays have 1 or more barbed venomous stingers on their tail, which are only used in self-defense. Manta ray. Stingrays bury themselves in the sand to hide from predators. To swim, they either flap their fins or move their bodies in a wavy motion. Their mouth, gills and nostrils are on the underside. Blue spotted ray. Although it is timid and innocuous towards humans, the blue spotted ray is capable of inflicting an excruciating wound with its venomous tail spines. At night, small groups follow the rising tide onto the sandy flats to root for small benthic invertebrates and bony fishes in the sediment. Reproduction is aplacental viviparous, with females giving birth to litters of up to 7 young. seahorse. They propel themselves by using small fins on their back and steer with pectoral fins either side of their head. They have a backbone but no ribs. Instead, they have rings that go all the way down into their tail. Their tail is prehensile. Shark ray or bowmouth guitarfish. Their teeth are low and blunt with ridges on the crown. There are 5 pairs of ventral gill slits and they're positioned close to the lateral margins of the head. Sawfish. Their rostrum has a row of whitish teeth on either side. It is an extension of the chondrocranium. Whale shark. They have internal fertilization and produce live young. Males can be distinguished by the presence of 2 claspers near the pelvic fin, which work like a penis. These organs are absent in females. Whale sharks are fish and obtain oxygen via their gills. They have no physiological requirement to swim at the surface, unlike air-breathing whales and dolphins. It is one of the only 3 filter-feeding sharks, the other 2 being the basking and megamouth sharks. Sperm whale. They are the largest of the odontocetes and the most sexually dimorphic cetaceans, with males considerably larger than females. It is the only living cetacean that has a single blowhole asymmetrically situated on the left side of the head near the tip. Their large conical teeth grow to 20 centimeters in length. Pygmy sperm whale are small, robust whales with a distinctive underslung jaw. Not unlike sharks, they have the shortest rostrum among cetaceans. Killer whale. They are the largest member of the dolphin family. They are top-level carnivores. Their diet varies seasonally and regionally. Day-to-day behavior generally consists of foraging, traveling, resting, and socializing. Killer whales frequently engage in surface behavior such as breaching and tail slapping. These behaviors have a variety of purposes such as courtship, communication, dislodging parasites, or just playing. Spy hopping is a favorite behavior in which a whale holds its head above the water to view its surroundings. Killer whales can be found in all of the world's oceans in a variety of marine environments, from Arctic and Antarctic regions to tropical seas. Horseshoe crab is actually not a crab and is more closely related to spiders and scorpions. Reef squid is a genus of pencil squid. They are easily recognizable by their large rounded fins that extend almost the entire length of their mantles. Humpback whale can easily be identified by their stocky body, obvious hump, black dorsal colouring, and elongated pectoral fins. The female has a hemispherical lobe about 15 centimeters in diameter in her genital region. This visually distinguishes males and females. The male's penis usually remains hidden in the genital slit. The fluke tail, which typically rises above the surface when diving, has wavy trailing edges. Jaws by Funko. They are found in coastal surface waters in every major ocean and can swim in water only 3 feet deep. Megalodon was a prehistoric monster shark that first appeared about 20 million years ago. It is the largest prehistoric shark to have ever existed and one of the most powerful predators on Earth. Great white shark bare their teeth and roll their eyes back into their heads when they attack, putting the shark's jaw and teeth into the best attack position, and at the same time protecting their eyes from claws and barbs. With reproduction, the male inserts his claspers into the cloaca of the female. They continually roll belly to belly during copulation. Great white sharks are ovoviviparous, which means eggs develop and hatch in the uterus and continue to develop until birth. Great whites attack by propelling themselves at their prey with great speed. They take a single massive bite and drag their victims down into deeper water. Then they let go and the victim bleeds to death before being eaten. Leatherback turtle. It is the largest of all living turtles and the heaviest non-crocodilian reptile. Its carapace is covered by oily flesh and flexible leather-like skin. Loggerhead sea turtle is the world's largest hard-shelled turtle. It has an exceptionally large head and has heavy, strong jaws. Females produce cloacal pheromones to indicate reproductive ability. After attempting to mount her, they circle each other. If the male has competitors, the female may let the male struggle with each other. The winner then mounts the female. Kemp's Ridley sea turtle. It is the rarest species and the world's most endangered species of sea turtle. It is also the smallest sea turtle, measuring up to 70 centimeters. Please stay and watch another video with me. I love to read your comments. Thank you for watching my video. See you again soon. See you guys in my next video.